Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your weekly forecast for Bitcoin. Today, a longer video, over 20 minutes, but I promise you guys, this is very important for you. If you would like to see the next important support levels and resistance levels for Bitcoin, I will show you this one. I will show you where to buy Bitcoin, I will show you where to sell Bitcoin, I will show you where to take profit, and I will show you everything I know. Guys, this is it. We are starting now. So here we are, guys. This is now our big thing. This is our coin market cap. We are starting with Bitcoin, and you can see it here. Bitcoin is going down a little bit with 1.2%, and you can see it on the green chart on the right side. It's going up for 4.7%. Really nice for last 7 days. Okay, this is this point, guys. Check Ethereum. Ethereum is going down 3.4% more as Bitcoin, and Ethereum is also red in the 7 days. You can see it here, red. All altcoins, or most altcoins, are red. Cardano, ADA, 2.58% in the minus. On the week, 9.5% in the minus, guys. And you can see it, all or the most altcoins are in the minus. Polkadot is green, okay, yes, a little bit. FX is green, Uni is green, Link is green, okay. But guys, the most coins are here for the last 7 days in a minus. Is this the end of the altcoin season? So guys, we will check it now. What's going on? 24 hours, the biggest winner, OMG Network, with a plus about 12.2%, in 7 days 2.2%. The next, place number 2, is Atom, a plus about 9.8%, and Revain is going up with 5.69%, place number 3 here. Okay, the biggest loser is Torchain, or Torrune, with 10.3%. Ren is going down with 7.6%, and Synthetics is going down with 6%. Okay, on 7 days, the biggest winner, Atom, is going up with 35%. Ren is going up with 33%. Audio is going up with 27%. Okay, really nice. And what coin is the biggest loser? This is Arweave. The biggest loser is Arweave, 18%, FTX token 16%, and MDEX is going down with 15%. So, okay, as I told you guys, the most altcoins are going down a little bit against Bitcoin. Now, what's going on? On the monthly time frame, you can see it on the summary. We should buy Bitcoin. Moving averages, strong buy Bitcoin. Oscillators are neutral as the Switzerland. On the week, you can see it here, summary, buy, moving averages, strong buy, oscillators buy, the day, buy, strong buy, neutral, the 4 hour, buy, strong buy, neutral, the 2 hours, buy, strong buy, neutral, on the 1 hour time frame, buy, strong buy. Everything is telling us we should buy Bitcoin now. So let's check what's going on. Now this is really important. I found this one here on the monthly time frame, guys. And this is not so unimportant. Look at this. Our last thing, what we can see here for our pattern, every candle is a month, is this a 3 outside up. This is a bullish reversal. Really bullish with a high reliability, guys. You can see it here. We saw this point here on this nice bull run. This was the doji. After this, we had the downgoing price, and then with this candle, this was a next bullish thing. We have now the 3 outside up, a bullish reversal. For the long time frame, this is a really bullish sign, in my opinion. And the bullish engulfing on the downside, you can see this was also a really nice sign for a trend reversal. So if you're watching these things, guys, we're going up for the moment. This is nice. But now let's check our chart analyze. What's going on with this point here? And we are starting with the weekly. This is the weekly time frame. Okay, every candle here is a week, and I have deleted everything here, but you can see this orange line here. This is still my 20,000, my big support line to the downside, maybe something like this. Okay, so let's watch the ribbon band. The ribbon band is a green ribbon band, and guys, I told you every time, as long as we are over this ribbon band, everything is fine. We have some spikes here down to the ribbon band, but no confirmed closing candle in the ribbon band, and this is important. We need confirmed closing candles over the ribbon band and not in the ribbon band. If you would see this, this would be a bearish sign. And you can see the long wicks to the downside. This is a nice sign, but no confirmed closing candles. So, and guys, remember, This is the long and short signal. I have this also on my live stream, and you can see it here. The long signal, this was on the May 11th, 2020. If you bought here Bitcoin with this long signal on the price about 8,000, we are now on the price about 48,000. You made, if you don't know anything about trading, but if you watched at this signal, you made 40,000 with this signal. Guys, these signals on the big time frames are working not so bad. If we are going sideways, okay, it's not so good, but on the big time frames, they are working really nice, and you can see it here. We are still in a long position. You are still in a nice long position if you longed on 8,000 US dollar here on the long position. So guys, this is not unimportant. If you don't know anything about trading, you can use these signals on my live stream, 24 hours, 7 days a week, for free, YouTube, Twitch. So now let's go to the next stuff. We can check the next thing here on the weekly time frame. We can make here a really nice parallel uptrend channel. This is our big uptrend here on the biggest time frame ever on the weekly time frame. So you can see we are here in a really huge uptrend, a parallel channel, and you can see why we are having some problems for the last weeks here, maybe because you can see it here on the blue line. This blue line is the middle line of our parallel channel, and this middle line is a really big problem. You can see it here. It's for the moment a support, and you see the spikes down to the support, under the support, but we are still over the blue line. So guys, as long as we are on the weekly time frame over this middle line, we are still bullish. We have no problem. But if we will see a confirmed closing candle under this line, we have a problem. Look at the long wicks now. We are making long wicks to the downside. This is bullish. Okay, remember that. Long wicks to the downside, bullish. Long wicks to the upside, bearish. So everything is okay for the moment. If you are watching this, everything is nice. We need to stay over 45,900, maybe 46,000. This is a big support. This is the middle line. And we need confirmed closing candles over this price, over 46,000 in this price. Okay. So guys, if you don't know anything about trading, draw a channel, draw here a parallel channel, and you can see the middle line, and you can see where is the next damn resistance or support. If you're going now a little bit deeper in the time frame, you can see we are on a big uptrend, yes, on a big parallel channel, but we are on a smaller downtrend from the highest point to the lowest point. And you can see here also the middle line, and you can see here support and resistance lines. This is also really important. Bitcoin is reacting really nice at this stuff. So this is now the daily time frame. Every candle here is 1 day. This is the upper line, this is the lower line, this is the middle line, and the price is about, as I told you, 46,000. So okay guys, now you can see we are in this little downtrend, and we need a breakout about, we need a breakout over 51,400. This is really important. If we are under this 51,000, we are still in this little downtrend, and we need a breakout for more upgoing Bitcoin power, guys. This is really important. Yes, I know it. Today I'm speaking a little bit slower, a little bit relaxed, a little bit more chill here, not so a turbo update as always, guys. So let's make this one a Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point, and now you can see more. Not only the parallel channels, now you can see the Fibonacci lines. And you can see why we are having a problem for the moment and going sideways a little bit, because we are between Fibonacci lines. And you can see it here. It was the line with 51,000. This is the 0.618 Fibonacci line. This was a nice try for a breakout. It was maybe a fake out. Let me tell it, a fake out. We had a confirmed closing candle. It was really dangerous, but no, it was too much sell power here, and it was a big bad candle down again here. So the big thing is the 51,000 to the upside, and the next thing is, you can see it here. This is our next fight, our 0.5 Fibonacci. This point here, price about 46,800. And for the moment, we see spikes to this support, but not a confirmed closing candle under 46,800. This is also very important. So remember, guys, 46,800. If you're watching these Fibonacci lines, this is a really big support. We need to stay over 46,800, and we need to climb over 51,100. This is important for the next days, for the next week. If you're turning on the daily, the ribbon band, you can see it. We are also over the ribbon band. This is bullish. We need to stay over the ribbon band. This is really important, guys. We have some spikes down, but no confirmed closing candle in the ribbon band. Here you can see it, and I told you guys, as long as we are on the daily in the ribbon band and not confirmed under the ribbon band, No worry, you don't need to sell Bitcoin. You can wait a little bit. If we can see confirmed closing candle under the ribbon band, then we have a big problem. For the moment, we have no big problem, in my opinion. You can see the EMA 200 here on the downside, the yellow, but this is not so important. You can see this 0.382, and that's the next stuff. If we will lose the ribbon, if we will lose this middle line, if we will lose everything here, the next great support is 42,600, because this is our 0.382 Fibonacci line. So this is the daily time frame, guys, and this is this point. Now let's watch this. I told you the golden cross indicator. The golden cross indicator we saw for about a few days. And yes, Angry Higgins, a nice member and my mod here, my moderator on my live stream, told me, Biti, nice, we saw a golden cross and not a bullish breakout. Why not? Guys, remember, these crosses are a laggy, slow indicator. We see the most action before this will come. You can see it also, the golden cross come here on the price about 48,000 and it started to pump about 30,000. So it is a laggy indicator, but remember, we are now in a golden cross zone and not in a death cross zone. This is really, really important, guys. We can't trade the golden cross. Now it is here and on the next day we will bump. No, that's not the thing, but we can see it now. That's nice. We are now in the golden cross zone. As long as we are with these lines, with the green line over the red line, we are in a bullish zone. If we will see the next cross, we are in the bearish zone, and that are the things we can watch if we're watching on the golden crosses or the death crosses. And remember, on the 4 hour we also had a cross, but the death cross, and on the daily we have the golden cross. So it's a little bit confusing for the moment, but that's it, like, guys. That's trading Bitcoin. Okay, let's check this one. And guys, if you don't know anything about trading, watch also the buy and sell signals. I have them on my live stream. If you're using them, you can make really, really good money, guys. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, but look at this. Here was a sell. We saw a big down going Bitcoin. Here is now from yesterday the buy. Here's a buy signal on this candle, and this is now really bullish. Guys, if you're going sideways, this sell, buy and sell may be a little bit confusing. Yes, of course. But look at this. If you bought here on this candle at 33,000 and you sold here on this candle 44,000, you made 11,000 euros, dollars. With anything, with no technical knowledge, you made this money. So it's easy to use this buy and sell signals. It's easy to use the Fibonacci. It's easy to use the drawings. It's easy to use my live stream. If you're watching this, you can make really nice money, guys. So for the moment, you can see it here. We are now fighting over the ribbon band. As I told you, we are in the golden cross zone. We had a buy signal. This is really nice for the near future. Everything is now nice. Okay, let's forget the golden cross. We don't need it anymore. Let's turn off this ribbon and the buy and sell indicators, and let's move on here. Let's check the next one, and that's the RSI. The RSI is also very important if you are a trader, because I show you now we are on with the RSI about 52 points. Not oversold, not overbought. This is nice. We can make a trend line from the highest point over this point to this point. This is a resistance. A resistance is always a red one. Okay, for sure. We can make a support line from the downside. Also, from this point over this deepest point to this point, this is our support. And you can see this is reacting really nice. We saw here a big spike, or a really good spike to the support line, and now we are in the middle between the red and the green. We are in the middle in this triangle, so we have some space to the upside, we have some space to the downside. If we can break out over the red line, I am bullish, ultra bullish. If we can break out under the green line, I'm ultra bearish. Not so much space to the upside, more space to the downside. Remember this, guys. This is still the daily time frame, don't forget this. And you can see it on the bull run. We can have the RSI over 80, 90 points. It's not a big problem, but if we are trading on the short time frame, we can use this as a nice indicator if you're overbought, oversold, everything like this. On the 4 hour time frame, we have another thing. We have to remove these lines here. Okay, for sure. Let me remove this. So as you can see it, we are over 50 points now. We can make here a support line. This is our nice support line of this nice little pump to the upside. And you can see we have not so much space. Guys, if we will fall down under this green line, this would be the perfect moment for a take profit. You see it, I bought here on 44,500 or something about this. And I think if we will fall down under this green line, if you're watching on the RSI, I will take profit with my Bitcoin, with my trade. So it's always better to take profit as to lose profit. guys, the next thing is we are here in the 4-hour time frame, and you can see it, we are going down here. We had here this point to this point, and this is a parallel channel, a little red downtrend, a little red parallel channel. We are in this little red parallel channel, and we need now a breakout over this green line, and we need now this stuff. Guys, we can also make this line from here to here and here to here. This is a little uptrend. So a little uptrend and a bigger downtrend, and this is always very important. I know it's a little bit confusing, so much lines, guys, but Bitcoin is reacting this. The traders are trading on this, and this is really important. We need a breakout, and this is the next target. If we can break out now from this downtrend, the next target is 49,000. Why? You can see it because of this line. This is really important. And so you can set your own targets, you can set your own lines, and you can set your own things where you take profit, where you go in, where you go out. This is not the big thing, guys. It's not a really big thing. So, okay, let's check the MACD. The MACD here, you can see on the downside, you can see for the moment, the blue line is under the orange line. You can see it here, and we are buying red candles here. This is not the best thing. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are bearish if we're watching on the MACD. The blue line must cross this orange line to the upside, then we are in the bullish zone. For the moment, the MACD is bearish. On the 1-hour time frame, if you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see, oh, it's really hard. It's a really hard fight here, little red candles, and the blue line is still under the orange line. If we will see a cross, this may be a really good, nice position maybe for a next long try if you're not in a trade, because a cross here is always a bullish thing for a little leg to the upside. Okay, this is this stuff. Now, watch the RSI on the 1 hour. This is really important if you're trading on the 1-hour time frame. I'm trading a lot on the 1-hour time frame. The RSI is really important. Here's also a line here. This is our resistance line, and we have the resistance line as a red one. Yes, for sure. Resistance is always a red one, and we have a support line from the downside. So my picture is over, but it's not so important. We have a support sign from the downside. This is a green one. Let me make it green. So now we are in this nice little triangle, have some space to the upside and have some space to the downside. Guys, if you will break this now to the upside, you know it, this would be a bullish sign. And if you break it to the downside, this would be a bearish sign. Remember this, and you can see this always on my live stream. This RSI is also on my left. Okay. Let's remove everything. I will show you this one here. This is the Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point. And you can see it here. If we are on this little time frame and we are drawing this Fibonacci retracement, we are now between two Fibonacci lines. And you can see Bitcoin is reacting this really, really nice. I will show you. This is 0.382 Fibonacci at 46,600. And you can see it. Here was a big fight with this. A retest. After this, a nice leg to the upside. Next one, this was the important point, retest 0.5 Fibonacci at 47,800. And now we are over this. So 47,800 is a good, nice support, and we have no confirmed closing candle under this support. These Fibonacci lines in the little time frame are working really, really nice, and you can use this also for your trading opportunities. So, okay, guys, the next stuff, let me zoom out a little bit more. Let me show you this. We are in the little time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, in this uptrend. So look at this. This is always also really nice. Here was a spike to this point, and now again a spike to this point. You can see for the moment this is holding. The support is holding, 0.5 is holding, and if we will go down under this, this may be a good, nice position for taking profit if we make a confirmed closing candle under this. So remember, guys, these middle lines are important. These Fibonacci lines are really important. You can see here the fight with the middle line with our little uptrend, the price about 49,000 or something like this. And you know all resistances and all supports, and this is working really nice. It's too easy. Or guys, I think it's too easy. No, okay, good. These points, and these points, I told you 0.5 is for the moment holding, 47,800 is for the moment holding. And okay, if we will fall down, 46,650 is holding. This is everything I can show you here, guys. Okay, 1-hour time frame. Okay, guys, remember my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week, YouTube and Twitch. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant, and please visit me there. I would be very proud if you write in the chat if you need something. I have really nice guys there, if you need everything, okay, I can show it to you on my live stream. So, okay, let's go back. One thing I would like to show you, this is the 4-hour time frame. Let's remove these indicators and remove the drawings. Here is the naked thing, and let me show you this stuff, guys. Now, I forgot this. This is also really important. This is the candlestick pattern. Look at the candlestick pattern. They are working also really nice. You can make so much stuff now, and with the candlestick pattern, you can make more. You can see it here. We had here a bearish harami with a downgoing arrow, a red one. After this, we had a really downgoing price for Bitcoin. Now we had this one here for about 4 hours, the bullish harami, or 6 hours. And this bullish harami is a nice positive trend reversal to the upside. These things are working. Look at this bearish harami, and then bullish harami. We saw an upgoing price, down again, bullish, upgoing, downgoing, and so on and so on. Guys, if you're going sideways, these things are not working so well. But if we are going here on a nice pump or dump, they are working really, really better. So if you use these candlestick patterns only, it's not a good idea. But you can use the candlestick pattern with the Fibonacci, with the parallel channel, with the MACD, with the RSI, with everything I told you, with the middle line, support, resistance lines, and so on and so on. And if you use all this stuff, guys, I'm sure you can make millions. Trust me. But very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, guys. This is really important. So this is the stuff. This is all I like to show you on this forecast. I think now you have all targets. You have everything you want. And guys, remember, it's very important for me to take the bell, to ring the bell, to write a positive comment. If you need anything, write it to me. I will answer you. And so I have to say thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys.